mga stakers, ayan, i-review natin tong application na ito, si Givi Coin Collector. Ayan, so as you can see, kaka-download ko lang nito. Ito ay application ni Givi. And which is, so i-open nga natin siya. Meron na siyang 4.6 ratings and reviews, and meron na rin siyang 100k downloads. So as you can see dito sa ano nila, yan. So dito makikita natin yung coin collector. Ayan, earn alone or with your friends. So pwede na tayo dito makapag-earn solo or earnings. And then create or join an earning room. So pwede rin din mag-create with your friends. So now, let's proceed. I-check natin yung dito mabasa natin yung mga feedback. So ayan, mayroon naman siya ditong good feedback, and ayan, as you can see, sabi nga niya dito, I highly recommended this app because it's easy to use. Ayan, simply passive income, nice and easy. So yun yung sabi niya dito. So, check natin yung all reviews. Ayan, so far so good naman. Okay, mga ratings and reviews ng application na ito, which is legit daw to si Givi Coin Collector. Now, let's proceed na at makapaglaro na tayo. So, click natin tong play. Ayan. Givi Coin Collector, passive income, welcome. Let's set up your account. So, ayan, isa-set up doon natin yung account natin, which is, ayan, nag-automatic siya dito sa akin. Nasa Egypt kasi ako, and then click ko na lang po itong next. After natin maklik yung next, ito na yung lumabas, solo earnings, generate passive income with minimal effort. So, you can earn money on your own. Ayan, so makapag-earn daw tayo dito on our own, and click natin tong next. And we can do a earnings through earnings with friends. And then dito naman, invite your friend and increase your earnings. And click natin tong next. And then, meron siya ditong passive income, generate, ayan. So, minimal effort lang daw. And then, click natin tong finish. So, as you can see, meron siya dito, allow Givi Coin Collector to send you a notification. So, click lang natin tong allow. As you can see, makikita natin dito sa ating profile sa taas is wala pa po talaga siya. It's 0. So, now, let's try dito sa ating solo earnings. Ayan, create a room. So, meron siya dito. Ayan, pwede tayo ditong mag-copy or share. So, and then, start natin. And then, so, meron siya ditong nakalagay na apps needs the permission. I-grant lamang natin to. Click natin yung grant. And, i-check lamang po natin ito. And then, let's proceed. Babalik tayo sa application. Ayan. Boost coin. Ito yung sabi. So, ayan. Let's proceed. As you can see dito, meron siya ditong nakalagay na boost coin collection speed and collect 2 times faster if you complete the simple steps below. Please follow the steps below until you fulfill the progress bar. How to win? So, ayan, click on play and add button. Download the app from the next add. So, ang dami pala niya dito. And then, ayan, try natin tong play add muna. Ayan. So, after dito, so meron siya dito nakalagay, congratulations, you can get $200 every hour daw. Click natin tong okay. So, ayan, nagsispin siya. So, oy, meron tayong nakuha. You only won 200. Want to try again? So, click natin tong okay. So, we've got. So, I'm not sure ha kung ano yan siya. So, kailangan daw natin siyang i-download para maklaim natin yung ano natin. So, ayoko na mag-download kasi wala akong space sa aking phone. So, okay na lang. So, i-download na lang natin yan para sureball. Para sureball dito kay Givi. Ayan. So, ayan. Wait na lang natin sa congratulations and open na lang natin tong application na ito. Choose your language. English. So, ayan. As usual, English. Become the most successful trader. Ayan. So, click continue. And then, ayan siya. Continue ng continue and allow. And continue ulit. Ayan. Walang katapusang continue to siya. So, daily bonus. Ayan. Continue. Walang katapusang continue. Ayan. So, virtual, meron daw tayo ditong free. available free. So, I'm not sure how do we earn that. So, balik tayo ulit sa application. Ayan. Paano na ba? Ayan. And, ayan, wait na lang natin. Alright. So, after that, so meron siya ditong sinasabi, congrats, create a room daw. So, congrats. Thank you for downloading the application. You are one step closer to your reward. We need to open the new installed app in your order to update your process. So, i-check na lang natin tong open. Ayan. So, naka-open naman na ako dito. I'm not sure kung legit talaga to siya. So, waiting na lang natin na magiging okay siya. So, dito makikita natin, ayan, so, big reward daw, 1 to 2 application. And then, so you are away. So, paano ba to siya? Bakit daw na away ako? Ayan. I'm not sure bakit away? Sige, so, kailangan ko siyang skip. So, parang ang hirap. So, i-click natin tong ano na to. Ayan. How it works, watch the tutorial description to get with the app. So, referral system. Meron siya dito. Makikita natin yung referral system. Ayan. So, mayroon siyang video dito to watch how to earn. Ayan. Puro ads naman itong application na ito. Ay naman sinasabi, referent to earn 0.10 instant plus 20. Ay, ano ba yan? Ads na naman siyang lumabas. Alright, to ayan, walang katapusang ads to. Ano ba yan? Hindi na tayo nakapag-proceed dito sa ating tutorial. So, ayan siya. And then, try natin to i-click to. Ayan. So, manage your earnings up to 2K daw. Ayan. Hindi pa nga ako tapos magbasa. May ads na naman siyang lumabas. So, ayan, i-check natin tong ating account dito. So, ayan. Hindi pa natin siya mapindot-pindot. Ayan. So, as you can see dito, makikita natin ito yung proof of payment daw. Ayan, may ads na naman siyang lumabas. Walang hanggang katapusang ads to. So, hindi ko sure bakit. And wait na lang natin matapos yung ads para makapag-proceed na tayo sa ating video tutorial. So, X na lang natin. Ayan, so ito daw yung proof of payment nila dito, which is yung mga nagka-cash out using Coinbase, may GCash. Ay, nawala eh. Ayan, so may GCash. So, yung available pa dito na huy, bakit nawali? So, sign up with the Google daw. Ano ba yun? Ang gulo ng application na ito. Nakakagigil. Ayan. Pinapasign up ako via Google. Ayan. So, magsa-sign up tayo. Madali naman akong kausap eh. Ayan. And then, ayan. Next na lang natin. So, solo earning. Ayan na naman po. Julit na naman siya. So, ayan, as you can see, as of now, meron tayong 0 point, ayan, so, which is malayo pa sa katotohanan yan. Yung minimum withdrawal niya dito, which is, kailangan mo makaipon dito ng 10,000 coins, which is 0.01 USD, yan siya. So, yung, nila dito, available for payout, Binance, Payer, Fowry, and, ayan, so, may GCash din available dito. So, yan. I'm not sure kung yung GCash, siya, instant to 1 to 2 days daw, 0.35. Yung minimum para ikaw ay maka-withdraw. Sa PayPal, 0.7. Perfect Money, which is minimum is 1.04 USD. So, yung True Money, yung iba dito, hindi ko alam. Basta ang alam ko dito, yung Fowry, pwede to siya sa Egypt. And then Binance and Payer. So, ayan, meron yan siya. So, yan yung proof of payout nila dito. So, yung wallet, ayan. So, meron na sila ditong, ito yung na-withdraw today, which is, ayan, 6,094 people yung naka-withdraw. So, ito yung mga proof of payout nila. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito yung proof of payout nila. So, hindi ko maipakita sa inyo kung paano mag-withdraw or kung legit ba siya. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa sure or wala pa. Parang ang hirap kasi niya ditong makapag-earn. Check natin ha. Ang hirap makapag-earn dito. So, ayan, itong content creator. So, sa content creator, which is we're here to support our fellow content creators. So, mention us in your content, submit a link for a review, and watch your referral earnings increase by 50%. Ayan, so dito, isasubmit mo lang yung, so ilalagay mo lang yung valid link ng content mo about sa application na ito para bigyan ka nila ng 50%. Ayan. So, yung giveaways nila, 25. So, pwede ka ditong mag-continue. And then, meron sila ditong leaderboard. Marami na rin sila ditong ayan. Marami na sila dito. And then, yung milestone. Kapag nakapag 5 referral ka daw, you will receive 0.10 USD. Kapag dalawa naman yung 10 yung naka-refer mo, which is 0.15. So, kapag naka 20 referral ka, 0.20. And then, kapag naka 50 referral ka, meron kang $1, which is equivalent siya ng 50 pesos. And then, yung 100 referral, 2.50. And then, kapag naka 250 referrals ka, may $5 ka. With 500 referrals, you will receive $10. And 1,000 referrals, you will receive 20,000 pesos. Ayan, kung masipag ka mag-refer dito, kikita ka talaga dito. And so, yung exclusive content, so ayan, nagbibigay sila dito, choose the group that suits you best and unlock exclusive rewards. Which is pwede sa Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Discord. So, how it works, kung hindi nyo alam kung paano, meron sila ditong video tutorial sa YouTube nila. Which is, ayan yung referral system. So, let's...
milestones, and much more. Let's start with the most basic one, refer a friend. You have to invite people with your link that you get from this button here. You get 10 cents instantly and a 20% boost on your future earnings. Additionally, from now on, every click that you get on your referral link, even if they do not download the app, will generate you some small coins. Next is the milestones right here. They are connected to your referrals and encourage you to invite more people. Every couple of people you invite give you a specific reward, as you can see here. Moving on to the giveaway. Every single day, we give away $25 to one of our users. We draw a random chance on who to win based on tickets. The more tickets you have, of course, the bigger the chance to win. You get tickets when you invite friends. Let's go to the leaderboards now. The leaderboards is another way for you to earn rewards. Every 24 hours, there is a leaderboard with the people that invited the most friends to the apps. The first 10 places win nice and sweet rewards. And last but not least is the content creation section. You can create a video or a short for the apps promoting them and submit the link of the video right here. We will review it and you will get tons of bonuses for this. Enjoy your time in the apps and don't forget to follow us on our social platforms for exclusive content, latest news, and even more bonuses.
So, yan yung tutorial nila. Ayan. Kapag nag-refer ka ng friend, you can earn a 0.10 instant plus 20% of their lifetime earnings. Share your friends and watch your earnings now. So, for me for this application, parang okay naman siya. It's good and ko naman talaga na legit ito si application ng Givi. But then again, kung wala kang pasensya dito, so hindi ka talaga kikita at wala kang kikitain. And parang kung malakas ka mag-invite, so marami kang kikitain sa application na ito. Pero kung baga ikaw lang maglalaro, parang ito yung kaabutin ka ng ilang buwan bago mo ma-reach yung minimum withdrawal nila. So, depende na rin sa inyo kung naglilibang kayo. Sabi nga naman, walang easy at instant money. So, ayan, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video tutorial for today. Bye!